Barking Dogs Seldom Bite, Understanding Idiomatic Expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting idiom, all bark and no bite. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. So, let's dive in and discover what this idiom means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Before we delve into our specific phrase, let's understand what an idiom is. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They are often metaphorical and provide a vivid way of expressing an idea. For example, "It's raining cats and dogs" simply means it's raining very heavily, and not that pets are falling from the sky. Now, let's break down all bark and no bite. This idiom is used to describe someone who seems threatening or aggressively vocal but is actually harmless and unlikely to take any action. It's like a dog that barks loudly but doesn't have the tendency to bite. All bark refers to someone making a lot of noise or threats. No bite means they don't follow through with action. How do we use this idiom in everyday conversation? Here are a few examples. 1. Don't worry about his threats. He's all bark and no bite. 2. She seems strict, but she's all bark and no bite. In these examples, the phrase is used to reassure someone or to describe a person's character. It's interesting to note that this idiom, like many others, can vary between cultures and languages. In some places, a similar phrase might be, "Barking dogs seldom bite." It's important to understand the cultural context when using idioms, as they can have different connotations in different settings. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this explanation of all bark and no bite has been insightful and adds a colorful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and nuances behind them. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.